Hi everyone, welcome to Fishing in Mauritius. Let's go find out about it.
Behind the scenes, emergency sunglass repair.
My finger's stuck.
Fingers now stuck to sunglasses. That's why you always keep super glue in the car.
Well, there's actually tons of stuff on sale and we'll go check it all out. But for now, let's go to the experts. These guys are the actual experts on the marine fisheries, I think it's called. Minister of Blue Economy.
Freshwater prawns. It's one of the hottest new ideas in Mauritius at the moment. Is cultivating freshwater prawns.
Hey everyone, this is Gail Pavie. We actually ate this at Poster Flack.
Yeah.
He actually cooked us up one. But these are actually called silver sunbeam. And they are super fantastic for commercial purposes. And if you look what's under them, those are commercial oysters. So they're even growing oysters here. Have a look at this. Unfortunately, the guy didn't make it, but he's still pulsating. This is an octopus. They have a couple of them here. Very, very fresh. Do you cook them afterwards?
We need to actually, yes, we will cut them just to be able to analyze their eggs.
You're analyzing their eggs?
Yes.
Okay, we actually have an expert here with us who's telling us about this stuff.
Yeah, sure. So what we've got here, we've got specimens of the male and female octopus.
Okay, which is the male and which is female?
So this is the male. So how do you tell if this is the boy? What you do is, you should make the octopus face you.
Face
and
you.
then you count the third leg on your left.
Right.
On my left. So that's the third one.
The third one?
So just at the tip, you see, we
Just
don't have
at the
any
tip?
suckers at this.
He doesn't have suckers.
At this one.
Oh yes, no he doesn't, does he? Okay.
So this is the reproductive arm of the male.
Okay, wow.
So what he does, he inserts this reproductive arm in the mantle. So what we call the mantle is the head of
So
the
this is
female.
the head of
Yes.
the female. These ones
So-
are female.
Yes, so he inserts the reproductive arm in the mantle of the female and then he runs away.
And then he runs away.
He deposits the sperm and then he just runs away because the female is quite aggressive.
Okay, so the females get quite aggressive.
The female's gonna eat his reproductive arm and then he's gonna die. So he wants to run for
Okay.
his life, actually.
Right.
So
This one is a female?
So the female do the same thing.
Yes.
So you face the octopus.
The octopus and then you count
you
three.
count the third arm on my left. So the female doesn't have suckers all along.
All the way to the
till
end.
The tip. Till the tip.
Oh. Okay, so now we know that's the female.
That's the female.
Wow.
And that's the male.
Ah,
So
fascinating.
the octopus have to face this direction.
Unfortunately, yeah. Oh, he's really heavy. He unfortunately lost his reproductive arm.
So he was going to
Didn't
die.
run away.
No, not quick enough.
So what you must do is run away.
Yeah.
It's very important. Okay, so he's facing me, right?
Yep.
And then 1, 2, 3 on the side, and you go to the end. And there isn't. There aren't actual suckers here. You just check the other one. Am I on the fourth? 1, 2.
Okay, maybe just check
3.
all the arms.
Okay, I'm not good at this. I'm the worst picker of arms ever.
You should spread the arms actually.
Okay, so I should spread them.
So just in front of the eyes, you've
Right.
got a large V.
Large
And
V.
then you count.
1, 2, 3.
And then check the tip.
There we go. So actually I was right. I got it right. Now I'm going to try the female. Spread the arms, right?
Between
You got
the
the
eyes.
big V, the
That's
big
not,
V.
that's not between the eyes
In front
though.
of, in between
Yeah,
the
yeah.
So there we are in between the eyes. 1, 2, 3. And they're suckers all the way. Wow, it actually goes all the way.
Oh, it's even
They're not
bigger
suckers. This is a male. I'm
give it
never
up.
going to guess. What I'll do is I'll watch them, and the one that runs away is male.
Yeah.
Job done. Thank
You
so
won't
much.
make it in octopus world.
I'm not an octopus farmer.
No.
We got some fish here, but it's all about the little planktons. These are sea fleas.
Because those are tilapia.
Those are tilapia.
Yeah.
Oh, these are actual tilapia.
Fingerlings for breeding.
Wow. And then have a look at this. This is what Ricky was talking about. And these are mud crabs like we saw at the Chinese restaurant. They come from Potrador. Look at that muff go.
That is seriously alien and creepy.
It really is.
So I'm gonna give you one of those.
Commercial fish in Mauritius. 50,000 rupee fine for catching an octopus outside of those times.
And the wrong size.
Oh, and the wrong size. Okay, so there's a size.
Size allowable by the ministry. So we have seen that the mantle length. What we call the mantle length is the size from the level of the eye till the tip of the mantle.
Okay.
So this should not be less than 7 centimeters. The average lifespan is 18 months for the octopus.
18 months.
18 months.
That's quite
Only
short.
18 months.
Wow. I
Only a
thought
year and a half. I thought they would get old. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link below, check below, for the fisheries website because there are restrictions on the sizes you're allowed to take out.
Crabs
And lobster and certain types of fish, but you are allowed to grab yourself a rod and go fish in the sea or fish in one of the lakes. You don't actually need a license. Or river. You're classified as an amateur fisherman. But remember, don't take out the fish that you're not allowed to, so check first. Or just take really big ones.
Or catch and release.
Catch and release.
Wow. Actually, these rods are not as expensive as I would have thought. Ah, pretty cool. And then you get your reels.
This is actually pretty cool. You get a combo rod. Let me just take one out here. So a combo rod, you get the rod and reel, and it looks like quite a nice reel. An okay rod, but it's 1,650 or 1,500 or 1,000. So you can choose which one. I suppose it's based on the reel. So if you're getting the smaller reel, then it's the 1,100. You get the slightly bigger reel, it can go up to 1,500. So there you go. Or you can get a combo for 5,000. That's a big combo. I'm going to put this down now because it's the squid does seem quite popular. There are loads of them. Obviously the fish like the squids. Well, look at the size of that. And the other ones. And you just put a hook in it and off you go.
Okay, so there are some smaller guys here, but there's also the big guys like Decathlon. They also do fishing gear.
Oh wow, look at this fishing kayak. It's a fishing kayak, but it's got a motor. 41,000. 41,000 for this. And look, when you pedal, the motor goes. Let me show you that again. So when you pedal, the motor goes. That's the engine. So you can sit in it, right? Sit in it and pedal, and off you go. Ha! 41,000 for this. And it's got things. I'm not even sure what things are. Okay, they don't open. Things don't open. Oh, this is probably your bait well or whatever they're called. Oh, look, you can keep stuff in there. That's where you keep your fish. Have a look at this one. Okay, it's a little bit more expensive, 65, but you can bring a buddy with you. Well, I'll sit on the back and someone else can sit on the front where you do the pedaling. Okay, the guys just told me, very sad news, if you sit on the back, you get your own pedal. So for the 65, you actually get the front one and the back one. So you both have to work.
And all the useful things you need for your fishing experience.
It's a little bit windy, but you know my problem I've been having with my glasses. But these are Helios, and they're really important because they're made in Mauritius. These are actually Polaroid glasses made in Mauritius, but wait for it, they're made from plastic bottles. So they take the plastic bottle, they break it down, and then they actually make the glasses right here in Mauritius. Let me show you guys. There we are, and they're not too expensive either. Well, at the moment they got a special, but not too expensive normally. That is really fantastic. Maybe we can get them to sponsor us. Oh yes, and if you're enjoying this, please hit subscribe.
Yeah, forgot to mention this fishing exhibition is being held at Croisette.
Sorry about the loud noise. Everyone, check it out. I'm getting a new phone. It's like the old Nokia, but apparently you can call from anywhere in the world. It's a satellite phone.
How's the picture quality then?
I don't know, I'll take a picture of it. It doesn't have a camera, sorry guys. This is actually pretty cool. He's got his little light flasher, his inflatable thing. He's got paddles because he's going to try to get back to shore anyway. But he didn't bring the phone, so he's stuck out there.
Yeah, but you can get these for 300 rupees.
As well as these are 250, waterproof.
Oh, the diving ones.
They're diving ones. You can actually go underwater with these ones. And these ones are 500. Hey everyone, look who it is. Aqua Blue with Luke.
Hey, how
How are you? Good, good. He's got his stand-up boards and his kayaks as well. Awesome.
Ah, yes, reminiscing of old times. Really popular tackle shop.
Well, I didn't notice it before, but Aqua Blue also does these full-face snorkel masks. 1,600. That's actually pretty cool. And they also got some fishing stuff. That's how they got into the show. It's nothing to do with their fishing kayaks. Well, as you see, you can go fishing in Mauritius, and it's not expensive if you forgot your gear. Everything you can get from these guys. Really fantastic. And there's no license to get as long as you follow the rules about putting the small ones back and take the big ones out. Or just catch and release. But Mauritius is a fantastic place for fishing.
Like Croisette, you never know what festival you're going to find.
I love fishing Mauritius.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous t-shirt. It says, I love fishing.
Probably look better on someone.
Yeah. But I've noticed them all over, conscientiously sanitizing everybody.
Well, we got a I love fishing spritzer.
She says it's cool.
So you got to get spritzed. There we are. Come get spritzed.
Everybody out.
I love fishing. If you like fishing, you can do it in Mauritius. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.